Hey, this is Tiana, and I'm going to give you a rundown on how to use our community platform, Heartbeat. So what you're going to do is you're going to open your email with the subject line, Group Read Bites in brackets, welcome. You're going to read down the short list of action steps until you get to the third bullet where you'll see the invitation link to Heartbeat. You're going to click that link and a new tab is going to open up for you where you can enter your email address or choose to log in using your Google, Facebook, or Discord account. And if you've been with me for a group read before, you'll probably be familiar with Discord. Once you've entered your email and click the button to create your account, you'll see this little window pop up asking you to enter the verification code sent to your email, aka the magic link. So important, do not close this tab when you go back to your email. So you're going to go back to your email and you're going to go find that email from login. The subject line is going to be login to Heartbeat. And there is where you're going to find your 6-digit verification code. Now, the important thing here is that you only have 20 minutes to enter this back in the other tab. So go to that other tab that you left open, enter in that 6-digit code. And boom, you're in. Now we've got a few questions here that will help your fellow members get to know you a little better. And hint, hint, the answers are also going to help you in your intro post, so you're not going to have to do this twice. You'll start by uploading a profile pic. You can use this handy little slider here to resize your photo. Once you're satisfied, click upload and then move on to the next step by clicking the next button below. Now we want to know what to call you in our space. Enter your first and last names here. And as you answer your questions, you'll see your bio being built right over here on the right side. It's a pretty cool feature. You can now move to the next step or back to make any corrections. We're now on to the tell us about yourself portion of our show. Here, you'll share what you feel comfortable sharing while you answer the questions. You can tell us a little bit about yourself, a fun fact, what you've usually been up to in your spare time, or your favorite fidget activity. We then would like you to share your pronouns, but don't worry, you can always update your bio or the intro post at a later date if things change for you. The cool thing is that if you're somebody who gets a little bit wordy or you have to write out all your thoughts before you go back and edit them, you have the option to resize the space that you're typing into, but do keep in mind that you only have a 140 character limit. Once you've answered all the questions, you can hit the next button at the bottom of the page, and that'll pop you over to a window where you get to review your entire bio. If you're good with what you see, then you can go ahead and click finish. But try not to spend too much time here, since number 1, you can always edit at a later date, and number 2, your awesome community is waiting for you on the other side. Once you finish your bio, you'll be dropped onto the Code of Conduct. This important document clues you into the agreements necessary to be a member of the community. Please take the time to read it to familiarize yourself with the culture and expectations of the community. And if you agree, click the I agree button below to move forward. And now you're in. And a super feature of Heartbeat is that you can use it on mobile or the web or even through a desktop app. You can download this now or later. And now you get to start hanging out in your Heartbeat community. Welcome. Over here on the left, you'll see the channels available to you as a member. You'll also see the names of other community members who are available for direct messages or DMs, as the kids say. And then on the far left of your screen, you'll see the space navigation. Over here, you can again find that code of conduct if you'd like to review the community agreements at any time. You'll also find any courses you've got access to, upcoming events, the member directory, and even opt-in to member matchups if they're available. Down in the bottom left corner, you'll see your name. Click here to access your settings. You can update your account info and your bio here. You can even see the community groups you're a member of. And over to the right, you'll see a list of the community members who are online. Over in the top right side of the screen, you can access any of the other Heartbeat communities you're a member of, or you can even create your own. Now click on Threads to join the discussions. The channel you're currently accessing will be highlighted on the right in the channel list, and you'll be able to see the feed with pinned messages at the very top, followed by posts with the latest activity. And on every post, you can react by choosing from the emoji menu. You can type or tap out a reply. You can add an attachment, or you can even select a GIF to do the talking for you. And that's it. Thanks for joining me for this little how-to for Heartbeat. I hope you have a great time in your awesome new community. Bye.